The rails of machine tool beds are hardened using IH to increase abrasion resistance. With conventional methods, coils were changed manually to harden the multiple target areas. To this end, we have developed an automatic coil changer. Before changing the coil, the quenching water is stopped and the water remaining in the quenching jacket is removed. The machine servo motor positions the coil and the cylinder detaches the current coil and attaches the new coil. With this auto changer mechanism, the time needed for retooling is shortened while achieving fast, precise hardening.